So inevitably, if you watch enough television or YouTube videos or spend time at your buddy's shop, you're probably going to get bit by the fabrication bug, and you're going to set up yourself at home to start digging in and tearing into metal yourself. I'm here to offer my top 3 tools you need to start metal fabrication at home. So out the gate, you're going to need yourself a quality welder. Now you can go MIG, you can go TIG, you can get lower end models, high end models. I'm going to catch you in the middle. I think our MP200i is probably your best bet for the most versatility. Bang for your buck, this is the welder. You got MIG, TIG, and stick functionality. You can weld material up to 3/8 of an inch thick, and your machine can run on 120 or 240 volt. Extremely versatile depending on your home garage situation. Now that you have a machine that can weld and stick metal together, you're probably going to want a machine that can cut metal. That's why I suggest our VersaCut 40 plasma cutter. As the name suggests, it's a 40 amp plasma cutter, and it's great for cutting material up to 3/8 of an inch thick. Once again, extremely versatile. This unit can run off a 120 or 240 depending on what you have available. In addition to cutting and welding metal, there's going to be a whole slew of hand tools that you'll need throughout various projects. And one central unit that's going to run all of those is a quality air compressor. We've got piston style compressors all the way up to more advanced scroll compressors that'll do the job for you. Now, if you've got the bucks to spend, or you're looking towards the future because you know you'll grow into it, I highly suggest our QST 3060 scroll compressor. This thing's got 12.7 CFM and 90 PSI, so it'll keep up with anything you can throw at it, not to mention the 100% duty cycle. And best of all, if you're at a home garage, the scroll technology keeps it silent compared to a piston style compressor. So think of those late night hangs with buddies in the shop. It's not going to wake up your wife or your neighbors. So there you have it. 3 units to make sure you're up and running at home for metal fabrication. You got yourself an MP200i multi-process welder, VersaCut 40 plasma cutter, and a scroll compressor to keep those hand tools humming throughout the night. So for more information on all these products, visit Eastwood.com and get yourself set up and get those sparks flying in your home shop.